Got tens of papers to read for your next project and got very little time? Here is the technique to read the research paper in shortest time and still grab the required information. First things first, start with the abstract. It's like the paper's trailer, a quick summary of what to come. This helps you decide if the paper is even worth your time. Now, head straight to the conclusion. This is where you'll find exactly what the research has discovered. It's like the big reveal in the movie. If you got the findings, great. But if some parts of the conclusion don't quite make sense, no worries. Flip back to the introduction. It's like the how it all started part of the story. Next, skim through the headings of methodology section. Just a line or two from each. This will give you an idea of how they got to that conclusion. Now, let's delve deep into the results and discussion. This is where you'll dig more into what they found out. Literature review is like the background music of a movie. Read it if you want more context and related researches. There you have it. The best way to quickly read a research paper. Happy reading!